Can someone please take care of whoever keeps making me sneeze and other people in my house sneeze? This is the Lee witch. She used to do this fucking 10 years ago. That she taught these crow bitches or these other bitches that Stan created. And now they fucking do it. Like, it's fucking annoying. They always do this one or two. One or two. That bullshit that they fucking, they're trying to convey towards me. Like, I don't give a fuck. So someone please, if you could do something about it, can you tell them to fucking stop? It's just spreading germs, man. And it's fucking annoying.